In this video, we will introduce the prep for ISACA Advanced in AI Security Management, AAISM, exam. AAISM Certification Overview. AAISM Eligibility and Exam Domains. Benefits of AAISM certification. AAISM exam preparation tips. 1. A financial institution plans to deploy an AI system to provide credit risk assessments for loan applications. Which of the following should be given the highest priority in the system's design to ensure ethical decision-making and prevent bias? A. Regularly update the model with new customer data to improve prediction accuracy. B. Integrate a mechanism for customers to appeal decisions directly within the system. C. Train the system to provide advisory outputs with final decisions made by human experts. D. Restrict the model's decision-making criteria to objective financial metrics only. 2. A retail organization implements an AI-driven recommendation system that utilizes customer purchase history. Which of the following is the best way for the organization to ensure privacy and comply with regulatory standards? A. Conducting quarterly retraining of the AI model to maintain the accuracy of recommendations. B. Maintaining a register of legal and regulatory requirements for privacy. C. Establishing a governance committee to oversee AI privacy practices. D. Storing customer data indefinitely to ensure the AI model has a complete history. 3. An organization is updating its vendor arrangements to facilitate the safe adoption of AI technologies. Which of the following would be the primary challenge in delivering this initiative? A. Failure to adequately assess AI risk. B. Inability to sufficiently identify shadow AI within the organization. C. Unwillingness of large AI companies to accept updated terms. D. Insufficient legal team experience with AI. 4. After implementing a third-party generative AI tool, an organization learns about new regulations related to how organizations use AI. Which of the following would be the best justification for the organization to decide not to comply? A. The AI tool is widely used within the industry. B. The AI tool is regularly audited. C. The risk is within the organization's risk appetite. D. The cost of non-compliance was not determined. 5. Which of the following is the most serious consequence of an AI system correctly guessing the personal information of individuals and drawing conclusions based on that information? A. The exposure of personal information may result in litigation. B. The publicly available output of the model may include false or defamatory statements about individuals. C. The output may reveal information about individuals or groups without their knowledge. D. The exposure of personal information may lead to a decline in public trust. 6. In a new supply chain management system, AI models used by participating parties are interactively connected to generate advice in support of management decision-making. Which of the following is the greatest challenge related to this architecture? A. Establishing clear lines of responsibility for AI model outputs. B. Identifying hallucinations returned by AI models. C. Determining the aggregate risk of the system. D. Explaining the overall benefit of the system to stakeholders. 7. Which of the following is a key risk indicator, KRI, for an AI system used for threat detection? A. Number of training epochs. B. Training time of the model. C. Number of layers in the neural network. D. Number of system overrides by cyber analysts. 8. An organization is reviewing an AI application to determine whether it is still needed. Engineers have been asked to analyze the number of incorrect predictions against the total number of predictions made. Which of the following is this an example of? A. Control self-assessment, CSA. B. Model validation. C. Key performance indicator, KPI. D. Explainable decision-making. 9. Which of the following is the most effective use of AI-enabled tools in a security operations center, society? A. Employing AI-enabled tools to reduce false negatives by detecting subtle attack patterns. B. Using AI-enabled tools exclusively to classify all types of security incidents. C. Replacing human analysis with automated AI decision-making processes. D. Assigning AI-enabled tools to triage non-critical alerts to preserve society resources. 10. Which of the following is the most effective use of AI in incident response? A. Streamlining incident response testing. B. Automating incident response triage. C. Improving incident response playbook. D. Ensuring chain of custody. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.